Sophie.
You gonna open it up?
Sophie. Come here, Sophie. What's this?
Jamie's birthday. Show him how to tear it. What's inside, Jamie?
Yeah, Sophie. That's yours.
What's inside?
Divot the cow. Come here, Divot. Sit. Sit.
Here comes Sophie looking at her present. Where's
Tear
Sophie's
it.
present?
You tear it. Tear it. That's your food. Yeah, it's tough. It's a lot of work. Good girl, Sophie. Open the card first.
Yeah, did I show you how to open the card?
Okay, I'll do that one for you. Good job, Sophia.
Yeah, what do you think, Jamie?
What's that say,
Huh?
Sophie? Does it say one?
Does that look pretty cool? Should turn it on, David, too.
I can't get
Yeah.
the button.
It's learning time.
What is that? Is that a present for Jamie?
2, 3.
Sophie, you gonna open your present?
What'd your card say? What'd your card say?
2.
It's your very first birthday, Sophia.
2, 4.
That's your
Oh, look at that piano, Jamie.
3.
Look at that.
Silly little spider climbs up the music scale.
Turn that down.
Like to carry tune, but he doesn't have a bell.
Sophie's coming to check out Jamie's present.
Just learn the notes to sing. Then you can make some music to go with everything.
Happy birthday, twins. Happy birthday, Jamie and Sophie.
Look.
Hey, little girl. Look at you go. Come here, Soph. Good girl. Look at you walking with your stroller. Where are you taking your baby doll? Hmm? Where are you going? Hey, Sophie, can you smile at the camera? Sophie, there's your baby doll. Good girl. Oh, you just leaving the doll behind, huh? Hi, Sophie. Hi. Hey, Jamie, you playing your piano? Yeah? Yeah, you changing the music? Hey, Jamie, happy birthday, Jamie. Happy birthday. Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jamie and Sophie. Happy birthday to you. All right, blow out, Jamie. Sophie, Sophie, can you blow? There you go, Sophie.
Eat it.
What do you think? Oh, Sophie. Yeah. What do you think, Jamie?
It's gooey.
Oh.
And it's going to be all over the floor pretty soon.
Aoife, take a little bit of it and put it in your mouth. Show her how to eat it.
Aoife, here to show.
You don't have to do the piece
show
she's
Sophie
eating.
how you eat chocolate. Show Sophie how you eat chocolate.
Grab a good piece before she mangles it all and show her.
There you go. Have a bite.
Good girl, Sophie.
Yay!
Oh, look at that, Jamie.
Let's mash it. Yay!
Smash it to smithereens.
It's good.
Jamie,
I like that.
Jamie, Jamie, Jamie,
If you're your mother's daughter, you're gonna love this someday. I promise.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Chocolate, so good.
Sophie, what do you
It's
think?
just like sands, really.
Oh, Sophie likes it. Look at Sophie going down. You are your mother's daughter. Yes.
Chocolate sand.
Yeah.
Oh,
There
over
we
the
go.
place.
Yay, happy birthday,
David
babies.
is quite happy.